Hello guys, welcome back. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. I want to speak English, but my mind totally blank. Actually, what happened? I go somewhere and speak. I am hesitant. Actually, what happened? Times I am scared also. Actually, what happened? Please watch this video till the end. I will guarantee you will able to speak English fluently and confidently. Yes, those are new on this video. Please keep it off. Those are new on this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel because your one like and one subscribe motivating me 1,000 times. Yes, start. When your friends, I am friends whenever you go somewhere, but a little bit confused also, and sometimes you scared also, but you cannot deliver the words in your front. You brave, don't brave to speak English but fluently. But actually, what happened? I go somewhere but not speak. I'm brave, but you thinking this type of I am. You think always positive. You think always recall your words. Recall your words. You speak anything in English on yourself. I will guarantee you able to speak. But actually, you go somewhere but you don't speak. You hesitate also. Sometimes you don't hesitate. I will message you don't hesitate. We speak always more and more, because those time you speak more and more, I will guarantee you able to speak English fluently. But I am also here in front of me. I am also speak. Sometimes I am nervous also, because I am don't hesitate. I am don't thinking this type of activity. I am also speak now. I am also speak. I am don't hesitate. Okay, you don't worry about this. You are also speaking better than me. Those time you're thinking, remember 6 ways to thinking in English. What is the 6 ways? I am explain. Don't use bilingual dictionary. Please remember this. Learn vocabulary in phases, not single words. Start using the vocabulary in as soon as possible, and talk in English in yourself also. But get an English speaking friends or partner. Always you think is small words, because you don't but you using fancy words, because small words you speak easily and quickly. I will guarantee you using small words you speak fluently and confidently also. I am also using these small words and easy words also, because don't complicate it. You exploring him, and you are connecting to some natures, your environment, your survival language, your survival talking daily routines words, daily use sentences. Speak fluently one to another and connect with them and spread some idea. Okay, do not find any psychological activities. Please open your friend and call your friend. Please call your friend and talk with him in English. Hello friends, how are you? Don't find any. Please don't worry. You open your phone and open your English application and talk with him. Very easy, na? Please speak in your phone. Okay, on phone in your mobile hand. Okay, don't worry about this. Everything can find. Don't excuse. Please, every can try to see your future, but don't worry about this. Please, a little bit you effort yourself and practice more and more. Practice makes perfect. Also, don't worry about that. I will also practice. Thanks a lot. Those are